little trail system, not geared for mountain biking at all. And it's deer hunting season around here. But my bike is red. My water bottle is pink, no, purple. But I got a little bit of a two-track here. Whoop, that tree go down. Need to cut that off. That's on part of my little turnaround trail right through here. The corkscrew that goes where the creek bubbles up, right over there. Here's a pretty little spot. This was real boggy till I built it up quite a bit, especially right through here. You can see how boggy that is. Pretty pull through right through here. Hang a left. Look at that maple tree burl. Huge, worth 200 bucks. Your grind. Hairpin. And GoPro, stop recording. That one I've got to work on. Here I've got too big of a space for my tires. They'll fall right through there. That's just death row right there. But I'll put some cross pieces on, join up this with the bridge and connect with that trail up behind the house, and that I think will be pretty cool. My family knows I can't cross this creek without stopping and videotaping how cool this is. Let's see if we've got anything in the trap. I just put it out last night. Brook trout 14 hole right here. Here's my trap. Pull this guy out. Yeah, awesome. What do we got? Mostly creek chubs, shiner, dace, mud minnow, and some caddis larvae. Okay, back in you guys go. It's a cool part of the trail system on my place. Scenic spot. Scenic spot. Scenic spot. Also a nice place to ride, walk, bird, and go to a campfire and ride skimboards later. It's our garden, infested with tall weeds. That's a cool little bridge. Horseshoe pit. The water table on my place has risen at least a foot. This was never wet. It's been wet for the last 3 years. Drive through it only in the middle of the summer.